That's what I call sauna. 100% panoramic view window. Let's have a look. It comes with a little chimney there, dismantled at the moment for the transportation, covered with nice tiles to protect us from the rain. Oh, lovely. I like this wood color. Little changing area. Switches for the external and internal lights. External light looks like this. Personalization, putting your name on something amazing as this. Comes with a lock for cheeky neighbors not to squeeze in. Another separate changing area. As you can see, wood color is more natural here. Another switch for underseat lights. And voila, the view. Seating areas. It's at the moment connected for transportation, but otherwise, of course, the chimney goes all the way up there. But what a place to sit and enjoy your time with friends and family. Just imagine that in your garden. Wow.